In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remember birthdays using Google Calendar. If you're like most people, keeping track of birthdays can sometimes slip through the cracks, especially with our busy schedules. But with Google Calendar, you can set up reminders that make sure you never forget an important day again. So, let's dive into the simple steps to make this happen. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by logging into your Google account and navigating to the Calendar section. This is your command center for organizing your days, weeks, and even months. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll want to look for the Create button. It's usually on the top left side of your screen. Clicking on this will open a menu with different options for creating events or reminders. For the purpose of remembering birthdays, selecting Create is your next move. After that, choose Event from the menu. This selection is important because it allows you to customize and specify details for your birthday reminder. It also gives you the option to make the reminder repeat annually, which is a key aspect of remembering birthdays year after year. Now the fun part, entering the details. In the event window, you'll want to type in the person's name and the word birthday right after it. This ensures that, at a glance, you know exactly who the reminder is for when you see it pop up in your calendar. Next, it's vital to set your reminder to repeat annually. To do this, look for the toggle that usually defaults to Does Not Repeat. Click on it and select Annually on Date. By selecting this option, your Google Calendar will automatically remind you every year on the chosen date. It's a game changer for staying on top of special occasions without the need to remember to set it up every single year. Lastly, don't forget to click Save. This step confirms all the details and makes sure the event is set in stone. With the event saved, you now have a reliable system for remembering birthdays. By following these steps, you can feel confident that you'll never overlook a loved one's special day again. Google Calendar is a robust tool that, when used effectively, can help streamline and enhance how you manage your time and commitments. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you stay connected with the people who matter most in your life. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks.